Julie, come here. Julie.
Paper. You want to paper?
She doesn't understand what the sound is.
Oh, she like the sounds her book makes. What do we got? Peter Rabbit again. Night, Peter Rabbit.
Oh, wow. That is so cool, Felicity. What do you say? Can you say thank you?
This is all hers. She can do whatever she
So
wants.
cute.
Just a little book.
Say thank you, Baba. That is so beautiful.
That's pretty.
Yes, it is.
Back to tabs.
That's okay. They're hard.
Yay!
Good job. Say thank you. That's really cute, guys.
Mom,
Thank you.